Hi, I'm Gerald Elliott, currently Club President of Innova Club Philippines. Actually, this is the first time, no? Thankful ako to be invited to this event. And yung Bigatin, I'm so glad that they take an initiative na to reach out to the car clubs. Kasi yun ang problema ng clubs before was yung insurance. Ang hirap maghanap ng trusted insurance and someone na kakampi natin. Actually, mahalaga siya kasi yan yung magiging parang lifeline mo in case na ma-involve ka sa mga accidents or mga kung anumang sakuna like mga acts of God or ano. So far sa presentation naman ng Bigatin, okay naman siya. Actually, maganda yung kanilang initiative, maganda yung kanilang purpose, tsaka yung mga panuntunan nila, no? So we'll see para man ano. Pero so far it's a good thing. Actually, highly suggested once you get your car, you got your car o kung ano man to, have it insured and then insured it with trusted insurance na hindi kayo pahirapan, affordable, flexible siya in terms of payment. And yan, kagaya ng Bigatin, talagang maaasahan mo sila. Inviting all Innova enthusiasts to come and join Innova Club Philippines. We have been in existence since 2008. Marami tayong activities and partners. So you can ask questions sa FB page natin and we will gladly answer it and in our best effort talaga. Bigatin ako!